2016 Mini Cooper Countryman. Let's see what's, yeah, Countryman Cooper, Mini Cooper S. So we'll be replacing brake pad for this car. So over here we got also the sensor. So I think the sensor is still good because it haven't shown anything yet. They just wanna replace the pads. But anyway, we're still gonna remove the sensor. So this is number let me try this. Number, what's this? 13. Number 13 on the sliding pin. We need, actually we don't need to remove the whole assembly, but for the sake of, you know, let's just remove it anyway. A little bit, right. So I'm using these special tools to hold this so it won't spin. Right. We need to move this slowly. Okay, like that, and then slowly let's put it like this. I think we're going to reuse, yeah, okay, this one's still okay. We will reuse this sensor. See that? I haven't reached the sensor yet. Still fine. So let's just remove the sensor. Let's move it slowly. Yeah. Okay. Just remove it. There you go. There you go. Nice. See that? Just wipe it. So we're going to reuse this one. What's up with this? This is a metal U shape. This will tuck in, or it will like hold this sensor on this slot. That silver or gold like metal over there. Okay, let's put this over. For the meantime, let's put it over here. Alright, and now let's just remove pads. Alright, then we're just gonna clean up this with the brake cleaner. Clean it. Good. And let's put the new shim. Tuck it in. That on the top. Very simple. Then let's remove the sliding pin, wipe it, and put some lubrication. Nice one. Don't put too much, just enough. There you go. And the other one on the top. Oh, you careful this with this. Nice one. Okay. Okay. Perfect. For this one, we're going to press it using our pressing tools. There we go. Nice one. And after that, put it over here and just spray it with brake cleaner. Same thing with the sensor. Nice. Perfect. Alright. Now wipe it. Let's put some brake pad. Perfect. All right. Nice. Another one. So on the inner side, we'll be using this. Okay. Compared to this, look at, there's a bump in here, but on those front it's nothing. This is where we put the thing, the sensor. This is common to that sensor is common to European car like BMW, Audi. Alright, let's put it on. Okay, and for this one, let's also put some grease over here, in here, and then over here. Perfect. Nice. Alright, so let's put it on. So remember the sensor. Okay, like that. And the sensor should be this one, the bumpy should be facing over here. See that? There you go. Nice, there you go. So you should look how far the sensor to the rotor. Nice. We could put the caliper. that's it. All right. Then let's just put the 2 bolts in here. Remember to tuck this in. And also the one over here. Then just put your Milwaukee. Just alright. Perfect. And just slightly tighten it. Yep. Perfect. That's it. Good. Alright. We're done. That's it.